Hi, I am Kazim Khan. I am interested in doing a photography project on the endangered Buddhist relics of Swat Valley in Pakistan. Important relics of human history are being targeted by the fanatics from Iraq to Afghanistan. Statues and relics belonging to Mesopotamian civilization are target of ISIS in Iraq. Similarly, the Taliban target Gandhara Buddhist relics in Afghanistan and Pakistan. Gandhara is a land of beautiful valleys, clear streams, peaceful people, extremist Talibans, and the Nobel Peace Prize winner Malala Yousafzai. Gandhara region is located in both present-day Afghanistan and Pakistan. The Swat Valley has the second biggest rock-carved Buddha in the world. The Taliban tried to destroy it as well. Fortunately, they managed to destroy only the upper portion of the face. It was second only to the Buddha Bamyan. However, many other monuments were not so lucky. Many irreplaceable treasures were lost forever. And many are still being destroyed by the extremist Talibans, local iconoclasts, and by the sheer negligence of the governing authorities. Unfortunately, these sites are not well documented. Many relics are excavated, stolen and smuggled. Many sites are left to ruin. Treasure hunters, local people, and natural factors contribute to their destruction. Gandhara includes present-day lands of Islamabad and Swat in Pakistan, and Kabul to Kandahar in Afghanistan. It was the second most important religious and cultural center of Buddhism. As such, there are a lot of Buddhist monuments in that area. We aim to take high-resolution photographs of these relics, before they are destroyed or disfigured, and we want to publish them in book form and on the internet. Together we can do it. Let us document before it is too late. Thank you for your interest in this project.